Is a man's financial status crucial to a woman seeking a husband? This question takes us back to a time when societal norms dictated that men were the primary providers in a relationship. A man's financial status symbolized his ability to provide and protect, shaping his attractiveness as a potential husband. However, as we've journeyed through the decades, these norms have evolved. Today, the conversation is less about the size of a man's bank account and more about his financial stability, a stability that speaks to his ability to manage money wisely, plan for the future, and navigate financial hurdles in a world that's ever-changing. Financial stability has become a vital ingredient in the recipe for a successful relationship. It's no longer just about the capacity to provide, but also about the ability to withstand the storms of life together. So is a man's financial status crucial to a woman seeking a husband? Yes, it is. But it's not just about how much money you have in the bank. It's about how you manage it. Consider the story of Jane and John, a couple who loved each other but had different financial habits. Jane was a saver. She knew the value of $1 and the importance of a rainy day fund. John, on the other hand, was a spender. He lived in the moment, often splurging on luxuries without his second thought. Their contrasting financial habits created a tension in their relationship. Jane was constantly worried about their future, while John was simply enjoying their present. She saw his spending habits as irresponsible and he saw her frugality as stingy. This led to countless arguments, with Jane expressing her fear of a financially unstable future and John defending his right to enjoy his hard-earned money. Despite their love, the stress and strain of their differing financial habits began to chip away at their relationship. Jane's concern for financial stability became a significant factor, causing her to question their compatibility. In the end, John's lack of financial stability became a deal-breaker for Jane, demonstrating that financial competence is indeed a vital aspect in a relationship. So what does Jane and John's story tell us about the importance of financial status in a relationship? From their journey we glean that it's not necessarily about the fancy cars, opulent mansions, or the glittering jewels. Rather, it's about the peace of mind that comes from financial stability. A stable financial status is like a silent promise of security, a testament to one's ability to navigate life's unpredictable storms. Financial stability is not a measure of wealth, but rather a reflection of one's responsibility, foresight, and maturity. These qualities are not just attractive, they are essential in a potential life partner. They signify a readiness to build a life together, to plan for the future, and to weather whatever comes your way in the grand scheme of things. Financial stability is not about the dollar signs. It's about the mindset, the discipline, the planning. Remember, it's not about the size of the wallet, but the mindset behind it. Financial stability is less about wealth and more about financial responsibility and planning for the future. If you enjoy video interesting, please like and subscribe for more interesting stuff. Thanks for watching.